Hello, welcome everyone. In this video, I'm going to work out a quotient rule of derivatives. So if we have a function which is the quotient of two functions like this one, u and v, when we want to take the derivative of such function, then we use the quotient rule of derivatives. So if we want to take the derivative of u and u over v, then it's going to be v, which is the denominator term, times the derivative of the numerator term minus numerator term times the derivative of the denominator term divided by the square of the denominator term. So I'm going to write it down. So we want to take the derivative f prime of a quotient function. So it's a quotient of u and v, where u and v are two functions. Then the derivative of such expression is going to be v, which is the denominator term, times u prime, which is the function, the derivative of our numerator term, minus u, which is our numerator term, times the derivative of our denominator term, and everything divided by v squared, which is the square of our denominator term. All right, let's go ahead and solve for an example. Here, let's simplify this. We know that u equals 3x squared plus 3x, and v equals 2x cubed. So this is our numerator, this is our denominator. And the derivative of a quotient function u over v equals v times u prime minus u times v prime divided by v squared. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug in this into the formula. Our v is 2x cubed times d over dx, the derivative of u, which is 3x squared plus 3x, minus then again u, 3x squared plus 3x, times d over dx of v, and v is 2x cubed, and everything divided by 2x cubed squared. Okay. Now we can go ahead and simplify this. 2x cubed times just the derivative of this part is going to be 6x plus, for this is going to be 6x, for this is going to be just derivative of 3x is just 3, minus 3x squared plus 3x times the derivative of 2x cubed is going to be just 6x squared, everything divided by 2x cubed. You can write it square, you can write it as 4x to the 6th power. So this is our final answer for this problem. Now let's do another example. Here we have 4x cubed minus 5x divided by 4x cubed plus x. Okay, so we know that u equals the numerator term, which is 4x cubed minus 5x, and v is the denominator term, which is 4x cubed plus x. And now the quotient rule of the derivative says that the derivative of u over v, the derivative of the quotient is v times u prime minus u times v prime over v squared. So that's another way to call the derivative prime. Okay, so v times u prime, just the symbol. This means the derivative of u, and this means the derivative of v divided by v squared. Now we can go ahead and make a substitution of what we have here. For u, we substitute 4x cubed minus 5x. Oh, okay, I think I made a mistake. For v, we make the substitution. First is a v, 4x cubed plus x, and then the derivative of u prime, which is 4x cubed minus 5x minus u is 4x cubed minus 5x and the derivative of v is d over dx of 4x cubed plus x and everything divided by v squared, so which is 4x cubed plus x quantity square. Okay, so now I made the substitution, and let's go ahead and simplify and finish the derivatives. So 4x cubed plus x, and the derivative of 4x cubed is 12x squared minus 5. Derivative of 5x is just 5. 4x cubed minus 5x, and the derivative of this right here is 12x squared for this term, and for x is just 1, and everything divided by 4x cubed plus x quantity squared. Okay, so this is our final answer. So hopefully this helped, and keep practicing it, it will get better. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.